Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to do the newspaper cutting exercise. First, you have to find the newspaper article. Why young mainland Chinese tourists in Hong Kong are slogging up 10-story residential buildings and visiting public housing estates. You may click on the link and read the article. The article is about many young Chinese tourists who recently risked their lives to selfie at different places in Hong Kong. I want to learn these 5 new phrases. My comments. I think that it is not good to sneak into a residential estate to take photos. Those tourists may think that it is their right to take photos. But how about the right of the residents? The residents also have their rights not to be bothered by strangers. If I were to get likes, I would rather be an intrepid explorer who goes to Antarctica. My photos will surely amaze my friends. That's all. Thank you.